Building wealth is a journey that requires consistent effort and disciplined financial habits, rather than merely relying on luck or chance. To achieve financial stability and success, it's important to cultivate and maintain certain practices that can significantly enhance your financial situation over time. Here are 5 essential habits that can lead you toward wealth accumulation. 1. Save regularly. The first step to financial security is to save a portion of your income right as you get paid. This means setting aside a certain percentage of your earnings before you spend on anything else. By treating your savings like a mandatory expense, you ensure that you are always putting money away for your future. 2. Invest consistently. Investing may seem daunting, but it's crucial for growing your wealth. Even if you can only invest small amounts, doing so regularly can help you take advantage of compound interest. This is the interest you earn on both your initial investment and the interest that accumulates over time. Starting with manageable investments allows your money to work for you and grow more effectively. 3. Enhance financial knowledge. The world of finance can be complex, which is why it's important to continually improve your financial literacy. Take advantage of learning resources such as books, online courses, podcasts, or seminars focused on personal finance and investing. The more you know, the better decisions you can make regarding your finances. 4. Control spending. A common pitfall for many individuals is the tendency to increase their spending as their income grows. To build wealth successfully, it's vital to resist this temptation. Instead, try to maintain your current lifestyle and save or invest the extra income. This approach allows you to build your wealth more quickly without falling into debt or excessive spending. 5. Diversify income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income can leave you financially vulnerable. To create a more stable financial future, consider developing multiple income streams. This could include starting a side business, investing in real estate, or engaging in the stock market. Having various sources of income can provide a safety net and lead to greater financial security. By incorporating these 5 habits into your daily life, you can significantly improve your financial health and work toward building wealth in the long run. You might want to start with one habit today and gradually implement more as you feel comfortable. Remember, the journey to financial success is not an overnight process but a series of consistent, informed actions that pay off over time.